In this video, we are going to talk about fill handle. Fill handle is a very useful function in Microsoft Excel. We have a raw data set. In this column D2, D, we need to calculate gross profit for each of the ID. There are 10 IDs, but calculating gross profit for each of the ID is very time consuming. So what will you do? We just calculate gross profit for the first order ID, order quantity into unit price. So we will get gross profit for the first ID, and now we will move the cursor to the right end of the cell, then a plus sign will appear. We just drag it to the last of the data cell. Through this way we will find gross profit for each of the ID. That's why we use fill handle a lot nowadays. It saves time, it is error free, one can easily use it. That's it for the moment. Thank you.